Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a ColourPop haul. Oh my goodness. I don't have every single shade of their lipstick, but I do have, I think, 7 lip products in here. Tapos meron din akong freebie na nakuha from them. I got these items with the help of myus.com. If you guys didn't know yet, I'm in Australia and ColourPop is based in the US, as you guys know. They do offer free shipping, but within US lang. And shipping to Australia can be expensive. So I got these items right here with the help of myus.com. I will leave their links below. If you use my link, you can have free premium membership. Tapos you will also receive 15% off of your first shipping. So what they do is they help you ship out US products to your country. So for example, you want to shop at Bath & Body Works, tapos Bath & Body Works do not ship in your country. You can use MyUS to help you ship out your product. What's good with MyUS is you can accumulate your order. Like for example, you will order from ColourPop and then you want to order from Bath & Body Works. They will store it in your suite. Once you sign up, you will have your own US address where you can ship all the items that you got from US online stores. So you can accumulate your orders and they can ship it to you at once. They will have options for you guys, and also you can choose what shipping you would like. If you want 3 to 5 day shipping, you will have that option. If you want just the regular shipping, you will have that option as well. So it's very convenient for those people that live outside US who wants to shop at US stores. Again, the link will be below. You will get 15% off your first shipping if you sign up using my link below. And also, they're really sweet. They will leave you a note like this one. So my package was packed by Chris. Thank you so much, Chris. And here is my ColourPop box right here. I'm so freaking excited. Look how cute that box is though. So first thing you will see is this booklet right here, which shows like ColourPop products and all that. So, yep. And then meron ding papel. Okay. And then it's Christmas. Hahaha. I haven't opened it yet. I mean, obviously I've opened it, but I haven't swatched any of these yet. So I ordered 7 lip products and then they gave me an eyeshadow for free, which is always good. So they're celebrating their 2nd anniversary. So they sent out free eyeshadow, which I'm really excited about. So ganyan yung itsura niya. Super Shock Shadow. Metallic shadow siya. This is in the shade Birthday Boy. Ooh. Kasi 2nd anniversary nila, so Birthday Boy. Nice! Let me swatch it. Oh my gosh, this is so creamy. My goodness. That's what it looks like right there. Ah! How beautiful! That's really pretty. Super pigmented in. I believe I got 1 lip liner, so I'm gonna start with the lip liner. This one is in the shade Dopey. I really like the packaging. They have that metallic, what do you call that? Like, yeah, whatever. I'm not sure if it's retractable. Is it retractable? I don't think so. So you will need to sharpen it. I'm gonna swatch it on the back of my hand and then I'm gonna apply it on my lips as well. Oh my gosh, that went on really nicely. That's Dopey right there. So it's kind of like pinkish nude shade. So this is what the Dopey looks like. Oh my gosh, I love this shade, you guys. If you want me to do a separate first impression review on this one, let me know. This is the very first time I use this. Obviously, as I mentioned earlier, hindi ko pa nagamit lahat ng to. And then I got 3 lipsticks. I have one in the shade Poppin'. So it's, I think, a pink shade. Pinkish. No, just kidding. Oh yeah, it is pink. Kind of like a deep. Ooh, that's what it looks like from the packaging. That's the shade right there. It's kind of like a deep but bright. I can't really explain it, but I'm gonna put it on my lips right now. This is what the Poppin' looks like on my lips. I like it. If you're into pink, I think you will like it. Sobrang nakakaputi din to ng ipin. Look at that, you guys. Next shade I got is in the shade Cami. That's what Cami looks like. Very comparable yung shade niya sa Dopey. We'll see what it will look like on the lips. This is what Cami looks like on the lips. It appears lighter on the lips compared to when you swatch it. Sobrang ganda din ng Cami. It's more of like a pinkish nude shade. I only have 3 lipsticks as I mentioned, and then the 3rd one is in the shade Grunge. Oh my gosh, I think this is the one that is the Ooh, yeah, ito yung brownish nude. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that, look at that, look at that. Very brown, yeah. So that's Grunge right there. As you guys can see, very brownish nude niya. This is what Grunge looks like on the lips. It's not completely matte yet, pero nagsiset siya into a really nice matte finish. Some of you guys don't like dark lipstick on me. I personally like it, especially brown lipsticks. I do not know why. Sorry, medyo tsaka na yung pagka-swatch ko. Those are the 3 lipsticks that I got. Let me know what shade you want me to review because I'm for sure gonna review one of the lipsticks. So yeah, let me know which shade you want me to do a first impression review on. Now, I have 3 of the Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick. I'm really excited. Sobrang sikat nitong mga Ultra Matte Liquid Lipsticks na to. And oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm gonna start with this one right here. This is in the shade Deeper. Ooh, nice! That's what Deeper looks like right there. So this is what Deeper looks like. It's kind of like that pale nude shade. Love. Okay, next shade is Lumiere 2. You guys know I love Kathleen lights, so I gotta get something Kathleen lights, right? I'm pretty sure the original Lumiere was sold out nung nag-order ako. So I went for the 2 and I really like it. Look at this. Ang bilis niya mag-set ha. Kaka-apply ko lang na to. It looks like this on the back of my hands. Oh my gosh, I have Lumiere on my lips. I love her. I'm pretty sure you guys love her as well. She's amazing. Okay, last but not the least is the Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade R&B. This is what it looks like on the lips. It's really different from what you can see from the packaging. As you guys can see, it has kind of like purplish shade to it on the lips. On the packaging, it looks like a muted pink shade. Mr. Bear is here. Hi, babe. I'm filming. How are you?
Good, how was your day?
I'm also gonna do a separate review on the liquid lipstick, so please let me know which shade you want me to review. It's not gonna be like a full-on first impression review because this is the first impression right here and I love it. But yeah, still let me know down below which one you want me to review. So that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like if you did. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you in my next one. Do not forget vegan. Bye! Ooh. Let me just pause. Sorry?
Was the city good?
Yep.
Did you get rained on?
No.
Oh, good.
Not at all. It was great.
Oh, good.
Yeah, let me
How
just
was
pause. Great.
The top looks good.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah, I do.
Say first.